everyone, Sarah back again today using the Sweet Summer Kit from Mercy Tiara Kit Club. It's the August kit and I am loving it. I love the variety that it has. This will be the third layout I have done with this kit. Apologies for last week and not having a voiceover. I had some really bad allergies and was having some issues. So this week I do have my voiceover. It is a very fast layout. I'm still working on some of these 8.5 by 11s that are for my mom's album that I am making her. And so I actually really had fun with it. It does not take me long. Once I decide where I'm going with this layout, it's pretty easy to go ahead and just put it together. And I really like how it turns out. The only thing I wish is that I would have remembered to use the sequins because they're laying right there. I love these sequins. And then I would have used a little more of the mixed media, which you'll see that here in just a minute. But I covered that top portion of the page, just a little quarter of it, and did some roughing up of the edges. I'm going to go ahead and matte this one. These words. The photos of my daughter and my grandma. These are from years ago, but it was just cute. They were sitting in the chair cuddling, and she's pretty big now and can't really do that anymore. But she was just big old smiles, watching TV, and then realized the camera was out and she was getting a picture taken. And so there's a big old smile on her face. But I'm playing with this Shimmers. It's a Colorings. It's pretty in pink. It came in the mixed media kit this month. And so I'm playing with that on the background. I love it. And it takes like no time to dry because I didn't cut that out or anything. Like I picked it up, wiped off my desk, put it down and kept going. So I like the way it worked. I was going to use that pink frame. I like the way the green one looked better. And I like these little tiles that we have. I like that Be Authentic. I'm using it on this layout kind of as my title. And I had fussy cut a bunch of those gorgeous flowers out. And so I'm going to go ahead and use those on this layout as well. It's just so crazy to actually look at this layout and the other two that I've done. They all look so completely different. And it's all done with one kit. So I do love that. And I have another layout coming. And actually, I've done a couple more already. But so I have some more to share with this kit. I'm really enjoying it. I did not go the cooking route with all of them. But I do have another one that does, have to do with some cooking. So I do have that. But I really do enjoy this. I do hate that I covered up most of that mixed media, though, because you can only see little bits of it peeking out here and there. I kind of wish I would have extended it down the page a bit more. But it is what it is. And so I'm going ahead and picking through these puffy stickers or these foam stickers from Simple Stories. I love them. They're gorgeous. And I just picked out some hearts that match the colors on the layout. And I'm going ahead and sticking those down as well. I'm going to go ahead and add some glue just to the ends of all these. That's just kind of my norm. I don't usually add it all over the place. I would like to be able to have everything pop up a little bit, have a little dimension to it. So, I mean, it's nothing extravagant. It's not a huge deal. I do like the way it turned out. Like I said, it is quite fast. I think this may have taken me 16 minutes to make. Yeah, about 16 minutes to make the layout all in all from start to finish. I do have to say the 8.5 by 11s don't usually take me anywhere near as long as a 12 by 12 does. And there is my trusty circle punch that I always use to weigh everything down on my layout while I'm doing things. I'm going to add some of these little puffy stickers from the kit. And I think that will pretty much be the end of this. I could be wrong. Nope, I go back and add something else. Do I? Nope, that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the links below so you can head to the site and grab the kit as well and anything else from the shop. And then check out the Facebook group too. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.